Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can load Blogger widgets or script only in mobile devices or only in desktop devices. You can do that by using simple trick and we will learn in this video. And by the way, if you found this content helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to learn blogging in Hindi, then you can subscribe to our Hindi channel also, Key to Blogging Hindi. And I will leave the link in the description. So let's start the video. So first of all, I want to display this social follow widget only in mobile devices, and I don't want to show this social follow buttons in desktop devices. Then how I can do that? Let me just go to Blogger dashboard and I will go to layout section here. And here, as you can see, I have added that social follow widget in sidebar. Let me just open it. And as you can see, this is the coding deep class key to social follow. So let me just copy the title of this widget and I will go to theme section here and I will click on edit HTML. But before changing anything, make sure to take backup so that you can restore it if you do any mistake in this process. So let me just click on edit HTML here and I will type simply Ctrl+F and I will find that widget. So I will hit enter and as you can see, this is the social follow widget and the widget ID is HTML2, and you can also switch widget from here like HTML2 from here. And as you can see, the title is social follow. So I need to add a small condition here in this widget to show only in mobile devices. So I will copy a code like this: condition data block is mobile request. So whenever someone request your website from mobile, it will load that widget in that device and it will not load that widget in desktop. So I have added the condition after the b widget tag and you can also paste it just before the id of the widget. Now let me just save this code. Okay, now let's go to the front end and let me just refresh this page. Sorry, let me just remove the question mark m equal to 1 first and let's hit enter. And as you can see, the widget is not loading in the desktop devices. So let me just click on inspect element here and I can select any mobile devices like iPhone SE and let me just refresh that so that it will load the question mark m equal to 1 version, that is for mobile. And as you can see, question mark m equal to 1 is added. Now scroll down and as you can see, the social follow button is there in mobile devices. Let me just close this one and let me just remove that question mark m equal to 1 from the URL so that it will load the desktop version. And as you can see, the social follow button is gone from the desktop devices. So in this way, you can selectively load any particular widget only in desktop or only in mobile. So this code is for desktop, and if you want to show that widget only in desktop devices, not in mobile devices, then you can use this code: condition not data block is mobile request. You have to add a not just before this code. So if you put this code in the widget section, then it will load only in desktop devices and it will not load in mobile devices. So in this way, you can tweak your widget loading and improve your blog loading speed. And the same way, you can also load the widget or load the JavaScript or HTML code only in desktop or only in mobile devices. So let me just show you. So as you can see, there is a progress bar at the top and I want to load the progress bar only in desktop devices and I don't want to load that progress bar in mobile devices. Then how I can do that? So I have to use a conditional tag. So if you want to load the widget only in the desktop devices, then you have to use the if condition. So let me just go to the template editor. So you can access this by clicking on the edit HTML button. Now let me just find that script, and as you can see, I have added that script here. So let me just hit enter here and I have to copy the if condition. So I will copy this first if condition here: data block is mobile request equal to false. So it will load only in desktop devices, and if you copy this true version, then it will load only in mobile devices. So let me just copy this one and I will paste it just above the code and I will close this if condition like this. So I will copy this b if, closing b if, and I will close this like this. So whatever you put in between this code, it will load only in desktop devices, and if you make it true, then it will load only in mobile devices. So let me just save this code. Now let me just go to the desktop and let me just refresh this fast, and as you can see, the progress bar is still showing in desktop devices. So let me just switch to inspect element here, and I will select mobile, and let me just refresh this page so that it will load the mobile version question mark m equal to 1. So as you can see, the progress bar is gone from the mobile version, but if you load the desktop version, so let me just remove the question mark m equal to 1 from here, and let's refresh this page, and as you can see, it will load the desktop version. So in this way, you can particularly load any script in mobile or desktop devices. And if you want to use this code in your website, then you can get the download link of this code, and you can just copy this code and use it in your Blogger theme. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. And if you want to learn blogging in Hindi, then you can also subscribe to our Hindi channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.